Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the billing address in your one password website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the billing section, and after going to the billing section, as you can see, you will be able to get the add billing address option here. So we have to click on the add billing address, and after that, as you can see, I'm going to choose the country. For example, you have to choose the country in the same way, and then you have to click on the update billing address. And after clicking on this, your billing address will be updated. So as you can see now, it's updated. And as you can see now the features, these all things are mentioned there. If you want to subscribe this, you can also do that. As you can see now, let's click on the subscribe, and after clicking on the subscribe, again you will get these details. You have to provide the payment method. If you want to buy this through a payment method, if you want to buy this through a gift card, if you want to update your region, you can also do that. So as you can see, on August 4 2004, you will be charged an annual fee 35.88 USD. So this is, as you can see, we will remind you by email 7 days before. Cancel anytime before your from your billing page. So as you can see, in this way you can update your billing address on the one password website. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.